Hi, and welcome to this video. In this video, I'll show you how to remove account warning on TikTok. Account warning on TikTok is given to TikTok users who have violated one or more of the app's community guidelines. However, it can also be a glitch or mistake on TikTok bots who implement them. You will need to contact TikTok for help, and I'll show you how to do that. On your phone, open your TikTok app. Then tap on your profile on the bottom right corner. Then tap on the three lines on the top right. From here, tap Settings and Privacy. On this list, we need to scroll down a little bit and find Support and About section, and then tap Report a Problem. From here, let's go down to Topics and tap Account and Profile. Then tap on the last option that says Profile Page. Then scroll down and tap on the last option that says Other. From here, it would give you some options what you can do, but this doesn't solve anything, so just tap No, and let's tap Need More Help. From here, you can let TikTok know that the account warning is incorrect, that your videos do not violate any TikTok guidelines or rules. You can also attach any screenshots or video to let them review it. And then once you're done with that, you can go ahead and tap Submit. Now, for you to be able to check responses or previous tickets that you had or feedbacks, you can go ahead and go back to the menu where you see the Report a Problem. When you tap on that, you should see like a paper icon on the top right corner of the screen. And when you tap on that, you should see any feedback tickets in here. And that's it.
If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel.